At the start it looked very tame, and I was thinking perhaps you could even get a sedan down here, but while the surface is nice and firm even in the wet, the chewed up bits of the track are far too deep and the hump's too big for a sedan to get through. But any average SUV, we've only got average clearance on this thing and we're getting through fine. So yeah, easy drive, very enjoyable, having a good time so far.
Yeah. There is Allardyce track across the road. That's the one I was pointing out to you earlier.
Yep, and that's where we're off to. So we're just crossing Gunflats Road and going into Allardyce track, which is marked as four-wheel drive only, which the previous one wasn't. So I can only assume it'll be a little bit rougher than the previous track. Let's check it out.
Ooh.
Like it. Oh, that's rough.
Should we check it, please? I think to the left. That's the thing which I should have
got from the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you get the next one.
Well, so far so good, and it seems like Mr. J had to pay full attention to the road now.
Indeed, much more fun this way. And so far, apart from the tyres, the only thing that's touched the ground is the tow bar, so that's good.
Climbing up.
It is. It's good over there. This track is absolutely perfect for us. I'm really enjoying it. It's got a bit of excitement, bit of technical skill required, but you don't need the massive 35-inch tyres that I'm always both complaining about and envious of.
Yeah. So we are now facing intersection. To the right is the Haggards track, and what's it?
To the
straight
right,
ahead.
Straight
left.
ahead is continuing on Allardyce track.
Allardyce track. So we are.
But it takes us down to the quarry, and we've been in that general area. Oh, sorry, the power station, I mean to say. We've been in that general area before, so we might take the right-hand turn.
No, but I think I'll give you an answer. There's a gate over there, and then it's...
There's a gate over there, so we probably won't be going through the gate because the gate appears to be locked, so we'll go straight.
Okay.
Okay, that decision has been made. It says on the sign. I'll go and read it.
Okay.
Sign knows it was always shuttered. It says on the
What was it said?
There's management vehicles only, so presumably park management vehicles. Pedestrians are allowed. So yeah, permanently closed to four-wheel drivers is my assumption, based on what that says.
So we're going to stay on these roads?
We are.
It looks like we're almost on the top.
I know, I think we might have peaked. What we should do is get a photo or two just here with your phone
Yeah.
for Facebook. How much battery have we got left on that drone?
We can do one more flight.
Alright, one more flight.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, what was that? I don't like the sound of that at all. Oh, shit.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
That's no good.
Oh, wow.
Oh. I'm just going to get down this bit. I've got no choice. Oh dear. I hope that was nothing expensive.
Well, the last two curves has been a bit of drama, and
That's the fun, man. That's the fun bit. When it gets dramatic.
we were thinking might scrap something at the bottom. We did check it, but there's nothing really. And the last one was like swerving on the hill, so that's a bit worried. I thought it's gonna hit the wall there.
Yeah, we felt like we were going to go into the embankment, but I just gave it a few revs and it took off in the right direction, which was good. But yeah, a bit of a slip slide down the hill.
And the rain started.
That's it, mate.
So this could be slippery if it's wet.
I think we got lucky and came the right way on this particular track. I'm not sure we would have got up those hills. It seemed like an easier climb when we were coming in, but I suppose we're heading down towards the beach, so
Yeah,
it's natural that the land falls away. I don't know if we'll be going back the same way or not.
yeah, it will be a bit, not be very hard to climb up that hill.
I know, but it'd be fun trying.
They have a winch, whatever. Well, we come to an intersection again.
We have, indeed.
And we have to decide this time because there's no gate. Oh, they both call Alcoa boundary track.
Alcoa boundary track. Alright, so if we turn right, where does that take us?
Turn right is going back up.
Yep.
I think turn left is going down. And then going down to the beach. That's the one we want.
Is it? You want to go around to the power station?
Yep, and then going down to that.
That's Gunflatten Road there.
And then we re-evaluate again.
Alright, we'll take the left.
Right, here we go. Oh, look, there's the tower.
It's the Alcoa power station. Separate track going here. It's close.
Good, it's not
Not deep.
not soft either.
Soft.
Yeah. Not going back, we're going to town, Anglesea, to have a nice iced coffee, I reckon. Well,
Sounds like a good idea to me.
yeah. And here we go. We are back to the town. So, as usual, we are having coffee in Anglesea. Back to
We
Anglesea.
are back to Anglesea. I'm caught on my phone yet again.
Yeah.
But I'm not, I promise.
No.
Sometimes I'm driving four-wheel drive on tracks in the bush.